In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate Clipchamp and add audio to your media projects. Whether you're new to video editing or looking to enhance your skills, Clipchamp offers a user-friendly interface that makes the editing process smooth and enjoyable. So let's dive in and explore how you can get started with this powerful tool. First things first, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to Clipchamp. This platform is an excellent resource for creating videos right from your computer, without the need for extensive software downloads. If you haven't used it before, you might need to sign up or log in to access the full suite of features. Once you're set and ready to go, you'll find yourself on the Clipchamp dashboard, which is your starting point for all projects. Now that you're on the dashboard, it's time to access your media library. This is where you'll store and organize all your video clips, images, and audio files that you plan to use in your project. Navigate to the Your Media section, which should be conveniently located in the main interface. This feature not only helps you keep your files in order, but also allows for a seamless editing experience as you work on your project. Once you're in the Media section, you want to look for an option that says Add Audio. This is a crucial feature because adding the right audio can significantly impact the quality and emotional resonance of your video. Click on the Add Audio button, and this will present you with several options. You can upload files directly from your computer or explore Clipchamp's stock audio library if you're searching for royalty-free music or sound effects to enhance your video. After you've added your audio, Clipchamp will integrate it into your project timeline. Here you have the flexibility to make adjustments such as trimming the audio or changing its position relative to your video clips. Take this opportunity to preview how the audio syncs with your visual elements. It's important that the audio complements the mood and pace of your video content for a cohesive end product. And just like that, you're done. You've successfully added audio to your media using Clipchamp. Don't forget to save your project frequently as you work through different edits. With these basic skills under your belt, you can continue to experiment and explore more features within Clipchamp, like adding text overlays, transitions, and filters, which can further enrich your video projects. So there you have it. A quick and easy guide to getting started with adding audio in Clipchamp. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and feel ready to tackle your own video editing projects with newfound confidence. Thanks for tuning in and happy editing.